it's important, these events are really important for the entrepreneurs, and because it's a unique chance to meet the investors. You can actually have a feedback, a very accurate feedback from the investors themselves. It's an opportunity to fine-tune your pitching when you're facing investors, and also you have a chance to see your peers. So the questions that apply to your peers often apply to your own business, so it's useful to come to these events. We have had very major investors here, like Sofinnova, like Index Ventures, Aster Capital, just to name a few, and so they're actually actively looking for interesting opportunities to invest. So if you are an entrepreneur, and this is really a unique opportunity for you to get a chance to be face-to-face to an investor before you actually send your business plan to them, because then you have a feedback before you do it, and it's a unique opportunity.
I have three basic suggestions to give to the people who want to develop a new project now. First of all, the team. The team have to be really committed in the project. The team must show that believe in the project and must involve the investors in this way. The second point is the IP strategy. I mean, concerning particularly the biotechnology sector, it's very important that who propose a new project have put in action a good, strong, careful IP strategy. Last but not least, a realistic action plan. I mean, when you talk with an investor, you have to show that your project is realistic, and to show this, the main point is, please prepare an action plan realistic, showing who, in terms of human resources, what, when, and which fund you have to use to put in action really your project.
We are here to present our business because we think it's a good opportunity to meet new investors in order to get funding and also to get visibility all over the biotech world and all over Europe, because this event was a lot international. There were many interesting people, so I think was very useful for marketing ourselves.
I'm from Created Real, and our company is doing the deposition of cells. The goal for this is to be able one day to make you and everybody live much longer by being able to create organs, by printing organs in 3D. So for us, it's a great opportunity to be able to come to this event and present our company, because we can meet future partners, potential investors, and we are very, very happy that we could be a part of it.
Being a Danish company and being here in Italy to present is that's a great advantage. We always say that companies are born global. Often we seek our financial sources locally though, but you have to look away from that and go out in the world and see what does global investors want. And a meeting like this is a great chance for us to show our company and to get feedback from potential investors, and maybe, hopefully, we'll find the new investor for our company.